This is the Lockpicking Newbie, and what I have for you today is this Schlage cylinder that came out of a Schlage deadbolt. A locksmith gave this to me for free. I could never open it. I finally got it open by accident and found that it contained a bunch of spools. That was back in video number 17. And since then I repinned it to standard pins and put the different key pins in it. This is from the Sparrows re-pinning set. But today we're going to go ahead and open it and get started on pinning it back to all the spools. And while we're doing that, I'm going to talk a little bit about some happenings. As you saw in the last video, I got my Medico open, and I was very excited about that. And that led to me getting my purple belt on the subreddit, on the lockpicking subreddit and Discord channel. So that is super exciting. In addition, the channel has now cracked 100 subscribers, which has, I owe that to a lot of support from other YouTubers such as Half Zip, who was super encouraging and pointed Helpful Lockpicker to my channel. Helpful Lockpicker has featured me several times, and I think is pretty much responsible for most of the new subscribers, and welcome, by the way. And of course, welcome to everyone who has been a subscriber. Starry Lock took my challenge lock and picked it on camera, and that was a step along the way for Blue Belt. So lots and lots of support from the community, and we're open. This is actually sort of like a zippable configuration on the keyway. So not much of a challenge, but if you're a newbie and trying to talk, it can be a challenge. Anyway, those particular folks, plus a bunch of people on the lockpicking subreddit and the Discord channel especially, got a lot of good advice, tips, hints, banter, some fairly crazy stuff on the Discord channel. I love it. And anyway, so all that is extremely encouraging and helpful to a new person, and I thank all of you for all of that. And in part, appreciation for that, as seems to be tradition on the Locksport YouTube channels, I would like to do a 100 subscriber giveaway. Now, I don't really have a bunch of cool stuff, but I do have some little pieces of history from Lockpicking Newbie, and they're not necessarily the most flattering items, but I had a number of mishaps as I've been recording the channel. In video number 15, I discovered that it's actually hard to pick small locks. I mean, if you look at these keyways, I got a bunch of these locks. This is a master number 7, and this is a iron padlock on eBay. Got a bunch of these, and I'm like, oh, these will be great practice locks. Well, guess what? For a brand new newbie, these are hard, not good practice locks. A couple times I tried to do a pick and gut out of the package, and if you go back and look at video number 19, this Master 150 defeated me, and in video number 28, this VLine 4150 defeated me. So I sort of learned my lesson on pick from the package, and then I finally got to where, hey, maybe I have to destructively disassemble some of these things. So this American A30 in video number 42 was closed with a rivet, and I used a hammer to get it out, maybe not the best idea. And then this Ace maximum security in video number 53, I really didn't expect to have to do this destructively, but sure enough, I stripped the screw and had to drill it out. So all of these locks are reminders of my newbiness and ultimately failures, but learning experiences all. So here's my idea for the giveaway. First of all, the giveaway is going to be these locks. So all these locks where I had a mishap, those are the ones I'm going to give away. I do like the locks, don't get me wrong. I will miss them, but I think it's an appropriate giveaway. I'm sorry I don't have anything, you know, super fancy, but you know, I think it's an okay giveaway. And in order to enter, what I would like you to do, very simple, 3 things. Subscribe to the channel, and then on any video in the channel from 1 to 55 or wherever we're at, leave a constructive comment so that, imagine a newbie discovering that video years later and watching me doing something maybe good, maybe foolish. As an experienced lockpicker, leave a comment on the video for a future newbie to look at and go, hey, you know, Lockpicking Newbie could have really done this a little bit better, and here's how he could have done it better. Do that. I 100% appreciate constructive comments, and especially for those who come later. And then email me your YouTube username and the video that you commented on. You can just use the number or a link or whatever, and that'll be it. So subscribe, leave a constructive comment on a video anywhere, older the better really, and send me an email. And I'll do a drawing probably in the new year, probably around New Year's. I can't promise, but I'll give you a cutoff date. This video should be going live on Christmas. So Merry Christmas to everyone who celebrates Christmas. Happy Hanukkah, and happy whichever other holiday you may celebrate. I have had a great time learning all about lockpicking and making videos, and it's thanks mostly to all of the people in the community and you. So thank you. This is the Lockpicking Newbie. Have a good day.